It's beautiful. It's our home. But it's danger.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
3% of adult Filipinos said they'd have been personally affected by climate
The
change.
country's population live in areas highly exposed to climate hazards like drought, tropical cyclones, floods, and tsunamis.
These won't be the only deadly destructive typhoons to hit the Philippines.
But there's a good news.
You can help save it.
Let us explain it.
There's a problem. Our planet is heating up. Why?
Because of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, factories, cars, and even meat we eat. The earth hotter every year, and this cause wildfires, floods, and even icebergs making sea levels rise. Over the last centuries, global temperature have increased. That doesn't much, right? But trust me, it's huge. Think about your families, friends, and communities. Climate change is not all about animals. It's all about of us. It's all about water, food, and future generation. If we don't act now, everything could have risk. But it's not all about bad news. Here's the good part. We can fix this. You don't have to be a scientist or a billionaire to make difference because small things make big impact. Like switching the lights when you're leaving a room, walk or take a bike instead of driving, reduce a plastic use or even plant a trees. And lastly, support companies or leaderships that participate clean energy and think small. But if millions do them, they become big.
Talk about climate change. Start small, think big. I'm Inigo Joshua G. Mendoza.
And my name is Priscilla Arsquinta Valdez.